Hanuman spent his entire life making sure nothing could take Ram away from him. And then one day, Ram himself tricked Hanuman. And what Hanuman found at the end of the trick shattered everything he thought he knew about love and loss. Ram knew the time had come. His purpose on earth was complete. It was time to leave his mortal form and return to Vaikuntha. But there was one problem. As long as Hanuman stood guard, as long as that devotion held vigil, not even Yama, the Lord of Death, could enter Ayodhya. So Ram did something quietly, lovingly brilliant. He slipped his ring off his finger and let it fall into a crack in the palace floor. Then he turned to Hanuman with a smile and said, "My ring has fallen, Hanuman. Please fetch it for me." And Hanuman, loyal, devoted, unconditional, shrunk himself small and followed the ring down. The crack became a tunnel. The tunnel went deeper and deeper until Hanuman found himself in Nagalok, the realm of serpents. There he met Vasuki, the king of snakes. Vasuki smiled and said, "Come, I will show you the ring." He led Hanuman to the center of Nagalok. And there it was. Not one ring, not 100, a mountain. An entire mountain made of nothing but Ram's rings. All identical, all waiting. Hanuman stood frozen. "Which one is Ram's ring?" he asked. Vasuki replied, "Each ring is one kalpa, one full cycle of time. In every kalpa, a Ram is born in Ayodhya. One day, his ring falls into a crack. A monkey follows it down. And by the time that monkey returns, Ram is already gone." And in that moment, he understood. Now think about what just happened. The most devoted being in all of existence, sent on a mission by the one he loved most. He did everything right. He followed immediately. He went all the way down and he came back with nothing and found emptiness where Ram once stood. Sadhguru says something about this that is hard to hear but impossible to forget. Letting go is not weakness. It is the most courageous thing a human being can do. Not the end of something, the beginning of understanding something larger. The mountain of rings was not a punishment for Hanuman. It was a gift. It was Ram saying, "You have loved me perfectly. Now understand me completely." Ram was never just one person in Ayodhya. Ram is a truth that repeats across time, a pattern that cannot be lost, only misunderstood. Hanuman did not lose Ram that day. He finally understood what Ram truly was. You cannot truly lose what is eternal, but you will suffer endlessly if you try to hold on to the form of something that was never meant to stay in one form. Think about your own mountain of rings, the relationship you are white knuckling, the person you refuse to grieve, the version of your life you won't let die, even though it already has. Every one of those is a ring you went down to fetch. And life is standing there like Vasuki, showing you a mountain, saying, "This has always been the moment. It has always ended this way. Let go and come back up." Hanuman walked into Nagalok as Ram's guardian. He walked out as something even greater, someone who loved beyond form, beyond time, beyond the need to hold on. That is the invitation in your pain right now. Jai Bajrang Bali.